In today's how-to guide, we're going to teach you how to use a pipe slice. So this is a 15mm pipe slice. They obviously do 22, 28, depending on your pipe. It's so simple. It's actually arrowed in the way that you're going to twist the pipe slice. And all you want to do, you see that like little blade there, this little roller, and then you've got the roller that attaches to the pipe. But that there is a blade. So get your pipe and you've got it on there. So obviously you're going to mark out how much you want to cut off. Simply twist the pipe slice, keeping it nice and level, and eventually, blam. That is how easy it is to use one of these, which is a pipe slice. You can get them from most DIY stores or merchants, but they're game changers. If you're removing a sink like I am in a minute, I'll be able to get under there, cut that, slice the pipe out, get the sink out, job done. Go and grab one if you're doing any plumbing work.